Hello students, welcome once again. Today we are going to do a story that is named Midas Touch. It is also known as the Golden Touch. आज हम एक स्टोरी करेंगे जिसका नाम है मिडास टच या फिर गोल्डन टच। तो मैं आपको एक बार ओवरव्यू दे देती हूँ ये स्टोरी का। एक राजा था, वो बहुत लालची था। वो चाहता था कि जितनी भी चीज़ें हो उसके पास उससे भी ज़्यादा उसको चाहिए। उसी को तो हम लालची कहते हैं ना। सो ही वॉज वेरी ग्रीडी। ही वॉन्टेड मोर देन वॉट ही हैड। तो उसने क्या किया, उसने ऐसी विश मांगी कि जो भी वो टच करे वो सोने का हो जाए। तो गलती से उसने अपनी बेटी को भी टच कर लिया और वो क्या हो गई, वो सोने की हो गई। और वो उसकी फेवरेट बेटी थी। और फिर उसको अफसोस हुआ कि ये जो मैंने किया वो गलत है। तो फिर हम देखते हैं क्या होता है इसका। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस स्टोरी। इन एंशियंट ग्रीक देयर वाज अ किंग नेम मिडास। नाउ दिस स्टोरी इज a mythic, we can say a legend or a myth that started in Greek or Greece. Greek is a language actually. Now, it started in Greece where there was a greedy king named Midas. He had a lot of gold and everything he needed. So he had everything. He also had a beautiful daughter. Midas loved his gold very much, but he loved his daughter more than his riches. So he had a very beautiful young daughter, but he loved gold a lot. But more than gold, he loved his daughter. So that was something that we can say that it is the father's affection towards the child. And it was not only the gold that was present in his life. One day a satyr named Selinus got drunk and passed out in Midas' rose garden. Now, who's a satyr? Satyr is a half man and a half horse. His name was Silenus. Or Silenus. Selinus. It's up to you how you pronounce it, because names can be pronounced according to the person who has that name. Now this person was drunk and they went to sleep in Midas' garden, believing that satyrs always bring good luck. Midas let Silenus rest in his palace until he was sober, against the wishes of his wife and daughter. Now, it is believed that satyrs bring good luck, and knowing that, the king decided to let him sleep in his palace till he is sober, till he is feeling well. His wife and daughter did not agree with him, but he didn't care about that. Silenus is a friend of Dionysus, the god of wine and celebration. Now, this satyr was a friend of the god of wine and celebration. So that was a good thing for the king. Upon learning Midas' kindness towards his friend, Dinos decided to reward the king, not the keg. It's actually the king. So the friend of Sinus, Dinos, was so happy when he came to know that this person helped my friend, and he decided to give him a reward. Excuse me. When asked to wish for something, Midas said, I wish everything I touch turns to gold. Now, he was so greedy that he did not think for other things. The only thing he wished for was a golden touch. That is, if he touched anything, it should turn to gold. Think about it. How will you feel when you touch everything and it turns to gold? Would you like it? Would you be happy that everything is turning to gold? आप जो भी चीज़ को टच करते हो वो सोने की हो जाए तो क्या आपको अच्छा लगेगा? Although Dinos knew it was not a great idea, he granted Midas his wish. So the god of wine and celebration knew that this wish is not a good one, but he had no choice. He had to grant his wish. Happy that his wish was granted, Midas went around touching random things in the garden, and his palace turned them all into gold. So Midas was so happy after getting that wish, he decided to touch things randomly. Trees, benches, anything that came on his way, his palace, the pillars, the doors, windows. With his one touch, everything started turning to gold. He touched an apple and it turned into shiny gold apple. His subjects were astonished but happy to see so much gold in the palace. Now, after turning his palace into gold, he decided that he would touch an apple. When he touched the apple, all the people that were present in his fort were surprised. They were shocked because the apple had turned into shiny gold one. It turned into gold. Being astonished, they were also happy that there was so much gold in the palace. Palace is a place where the king lives. In his happiness, Midas went and hugged his daughter. And before he realized, he turned her into a lifeless gold statue. Midas was so happy that he did not even think once, and he went to hug his daughter. And when he touched her, she turned gold. Aghast, Midas ran back to the garden and called for dinos. He begged the god to take away his power and save his daughter. Now, when he realized that the power he has, the wish that was granted to him, is now biting him back, is making things bad for him, he ran to his garden and called for the god of wine and celebration. He begged, he cried, and he apologized also to the god. He wanted to save his daughter. He did not want the power. He did not want the gold or anything at that moment. The only thing that he wanted at that time was his daughter back. Dinos gives Midas a solution to change everything back to how it was before the wish. So the god gave him a solution from which all the things would come back to normal. Midas learned his lesson and lived the rest of his life contented with what he had. So from that day on, he learned his lesson, and he decided that whatever he has is enough for him. He doesn't need it more. So he was content with what he had now. Before, he was very greedy. Now let's do a summary of this story. The king was too greedy. One day a satyr was drunk and he fell asleep in his garden. And he allowed it, with even despite his wife and daughter being against it, knowing that it brings good luck. Now, when the next day the satyr woke up, it was also a friend of a god. And when the god came to know about Midas' kindness, he granted him a wish that whatever he touched would turn to gold. And he was so happy with it. He started touching things randomly, and accidentally he touched his daughter, and she turned into a golden statue. Then he cried and begged for his daughter to return back. And that time the god gave him a solution, and everything was back to normal. And he learned his lesson that he should be content in life. अब इस स्टोरी में क्या था? एक राजा था जिसका नाम था मिडास। अब उनके गार्डन में एक रात को एक सटायर ड्रंक होके सो गया। तो राजा को क्या लगा, ये सटायर तो गुड लक लेके आते हैं, तो हम इसको यहाँ से नहीं लेके जाएंगे, इसको बाहर नहीं फेंकेंगे। उसकी वाइफ और उसकी बेटी ने मना कर दिया कि नहीं, ये अच्छा आइडिया नहीं है, और उन्होंने किसी की नहीं सुनी। फिर जब ये सटायर उठा, उसका एक फ्रेंड था। उनके फ्रेंड कौन थे? गॉड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन एंड वाइन। तो उन्होंने खुश होके मिडास को एक विश दी, कोई भी विश मांगो मैं पूरी करूँगा। तो तब मिडास ने क्या मांगा कि मैं जो भी टच करूँ वो सोने का हो जाए, और ऐसा हो गया। और खुशी खुशी में उसने सारी चीज़ें टच कर दी, और भूल में उसने अपनी बेटी को भी टच कर दिया, और वो सोने की मूर्ति बन गई। उसके बाद उनको बहुत अफसोस हुआ, और उन्होंने दुनिया में एक ही चीज़ मांगी कि मेरी बेटी वापस पहले जैसी हो जाए। तो वो फिर से भगवान के पास गए, और वहाँ उन्होंने माफ़ी मांगी और प्रे किया कि प्लीज़ सब ठीक कर दीजिए। तब उन्होंने मिडास को एक सॉल्यूशन दिया, और उस सॉल्यूशन से सारी चीज़ें वापस जैसी थी वैसी हो गई। उसके बाद मिडास ने कभी लालच नहीं की। उनके पास जितना था वो उसी में खुश थे। उससे पहले क्या क्या था, उनको सब चाहिए था। तो moral of the story is do not get greedy, be happy and content with what you have। आपको लालच नहीं करनी चाहिए, आपके पास जितना है उसी में आपको खुश रहना है। ठीक है, that's all for today, bye bye।